Strange teachings, she says, came from Daybell. Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum reports.
Light spirits, dark spirits, castings, and zombies. Terminology from a science fiction plot. But those terms discussed in court today as the jury learned more about Chad Daybell's alleged beliefs. Melanie Gibb, former best friend of so-called Doomsday Mom Lori Vallow, once a part of the inner circle linked to Doomsday fiction author Chad Daybell. Gibb testified about a love affair between Vallow and Daybell, telling the court the couple believed they were married in their past lives.
When she was Elena, do you know who Chad was supposed to have been in that life?
James, one of the apostles of Jesus Christ.
And is that one of the times that they were married in a previous life?
Yes.
Did she tell you where she learned that information?
From Chad.
Months after Vallow's brother shot and killed her then-husband Charles, several weeks after Daybell's then-wife Tammy died, the search for Vallow's two missing children, JJ and Tylee, was underway. Vallow told authorities in November of 2019 that her son was in Arizona with her friend Melanie Gibb. Gibb confronted her later about the lie on a recorded phone call.
It just doesn't sound like God's plan to me. It gives me a gut feeling, like in my gut, it feels weird. It doesn't feel right. I don't have peace about it. I never have felt 100% peace about it. I always felt like a little weird in my stomach about all these things.
Daybell and Vallow married in Hawaii 17 days after Tammy died. The self-proclaimed doomsday prophet said Tammy was on a special mission, saying any suspicions about her death were conspiracy theories.
All these conspiracy theories just make me sick to my stomach. Just absolutely sick. I know I've been told for years that Tammy would pass away at a young age. And I had no idea that Lori would even be a part of my life. I just knew that my life had two segments.
On the call, Vallow told Gibb that JJ was safe and happy. Several months later, authorities discovered his body and Tylee's remains in Daybell's backyard. Gibb also testified to Daybell's alleged teachings of a light and dark scale, which identified enemies as dark spirits and even zombies.
Well, I'm sorry that I included you in those teachings then for your own sake, because I wish that you didn't have as much knowledge as you have, because you will be accountable for the knowledge that you do have now.
In cross-examination, Daybell's attorney John Pryor questioned Gibb about her memory, media interviews she did, and hundreds of text messages she exchanged with one of the prosecutors.
The point of all this communication between you and Mr. Wood, the prosecuting attorney in this case, was to establish how you planned on testifying in this case and what you were going to say.
It wasn't the established reason why I communicated with him.
Daybell is accused of several charges, including first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit murder in the deaths of JJ, Tylee, and Tammy. He could face a death penalty if convicted. I'm Justin Lum for Fox 10 Investigates.